Welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.com. Then after that you can see this is search button. Just enter the model number of your motherboard B550 Visions D and then hit enter. Then click on the product. So if you are seeing some lot of devices if you are not able to find out, so you just copy it and enter the new tab to this, and then just this one you can see latest, and this is URL www.gigabyte.com. okay, just click on it. This is your motherboard. Okay, and click on the support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, so both operating system installation same. Select the first audio. So guys, first download one by one, then I show you how to install. So first audio driver you can see, then click to download, then chipset. So try to this one AMD chipset driver, and this is download icon. You can see this is download icon, and just click it. Then LAN driver, Intel LAN driver, and click to download. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver, you extract. So first Bluetooth driver and click to download, then Wi-Fi driver, same, click on the download. So wait, you click on, after the download you can see this, you just click on this icon. After that open this folder where it is you downloading. So complete, then I show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same, close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click Run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Nothing. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.